What is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are sitting nice and cozy because I am bringing you guys a updated room tour. I am the type of girl to constantly switch up my room. It could be the littlest things, a comforter, a pillow, rearrange my room. Honestly, it's just like a creative space for me and I get bored of the same space. I cannot believe it's been almost 1 year since I moved into this apartment. So I want to really relish it and document this layout that I have going on because I really do love it and it just suits me so much better. I thought it would be the perfect day because it is rainy outside, it's cold, and it was just kind of like a cozy day today. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed and let's jump right into the video. So this little drawer moment is actually 2 individual pieces pushed together to make one. They were super affordable. I believe they were like 40-50 bucks from Target, and honestly I really like them, but it doesn't hold a lot of stuff, which is the only downside to it. But for the meantime, it works pretty well and I really like them. And in my old house I had them as nightstands, so it kind of worked to just push them together. But they're from Target, like I said. All right, I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So on top, I have this really cool green fake marble little tray. I literally had this on my Pinterest. I was like, this is what it's missing. I want to add color, and I literally thrifted it, and it was like the best thrift find ever. It's like not heavy, it's very plastic and cheap, but it does the trick. It gives me like that look that I want and I love it. So on top of it, I just have my vintage Polaroid camera that I also thrifted, and then all of like my perfumes, and then I have this little dish you'll see that my best friend Megan gave to me, and it's real china and it's so gorgeous, and I keep all of like my everyday jewelry on that. Okay, so this is just like a quick little angle from above, but I have like my name tag here for work and everything. Like I said, just like my everyday jewelry, all of like my perfumes. I have a room spray, and then just like these little affirmations stuff right there. This lamp is so funny because I literally purchased it off eBay. I wanted this lamp from IKEA so badly, but for whatever reason, IKEA did not have this specific item able to ship. I don't really have an IKEA near me, so I literally was like, yes, I'm willing to eBay this. I just love the look of them, and this is something I can definitely see myself using into my future home and my next home after this, because I just feel like it's so simple but really unique. Next to it, I have just these 2 books. I got them both from Home Goods, and I love the look of the first one, Vogue on Location. It is a really cool book. Again, I want to eventually put this on like a coffee table into my next home, but for now I love it in my room. And then the one underneath is like a Princess Diana tribute with all of the iconic looks that she has worn throughout her life, and I'm obsessed with her. I always have been obsessed with her. My mom loved her, so it's just like such a cute book that I love having, and I'm also obsessed with her style back then, and it's just like a really fun book to have if you're into fashion. The cover on this is like so amazing. This is kind of just like a brief little glimpse of what the book looks like. It's a very heavy book. Look at stuff like this. Like, look at that. The color, the neckline, it's insane. This cutie little marble bowl thing is from Target. I was obsessed with the blue. I thought it was a really nice, fun pop of color. And inside, I keep all of my adapters for my computer, for my SD cards. I even have these little thingies for my tripod. And then I have extra SD cards down here. I use this a lot, so I keep that here. I just love how all the colors look in this little space. And then moving straight along, now for like my most favorite part in my room, it has to be these 2 pieces right here. So the frames are from Joann's, and I'm gonna zoom in for you guys, but you probably remember me having some really cute, fun little drink prints. I definitely got influenced in that trend. I think it started like 2 years ago with those types of prints. Although they are very cute, it's just not my style anymore, and I've accepted that. And so I really wanted something that represents me current day, and what better thing for me to have than literally some of my favorite verses. So I have Jeremiah 29:11 and then John 3:16 on there. I think it fits the space perfectly. It just makes so much more sense for me, and I love having this as a reminder on my wall and seeing it first thing in the morning. It's just been amazing having it, and it's just current day me, which I feel like is important because your space is a reflection of you, and this is me. Now, you guys are very familiar with this section because I have filmed, I think, 2 closet clean out videos, which stay tuned because I'm having another one. This one is important. It's the first closet clean out of the year, so stay tuned for that. But this is my bed. I have this neon sign from Yellow Pop. I love it. It's a custom name sign. It definitely was a splurge, but I don't regret it at all. I wish I used it a little bit more. It's just a little hard because the window faces the opposite direction. So every time I film, I don't face it like I used to in my old room. But I love it so much. It's just so fun, and I think it's really unique as well. But underneath is, of course, my bed. Hold on, I can't find the zoom. So this is my bedding right here. I used to have an all white, crispy, fluffy bed, but with a dog, it's just a little unrealistic to keep white, and I just don't know what it is. I don't know if it's ever since we moved, he's like more in my room than he's ever been, and it was just like getting dirty every day and washing it like once a week. This comforter that's big and fluffy and heavy being washed once a week is just really annoying. And so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get like a nudish color comforter so I don't have to wash it as much, and if my dog gets it dirty with like his paws, it won't be nearly as noticeable as a fresh white. I think that is from Marshall's. It's like a quilt. And then the pillows are all from Target. My cute little bears that I'm obsessed with, you guys, they're from Albertsons. This is like my jelly cat. Everyone really likes the jelly cats. These bears are my thing. I have this really cute checkered green throw. I don't know why it was taking me forever to like describe what that was. I love it. This was like my throw I had for like Christmas time. I just kept it. I like the green. I think it looks cute. And then I'm gonna show you guys in that corner, you can probably see, I have a little nightstand on that side. It's a little dark, so I'm going to do my best, but that little black table is from Target. Again, it was super affordable, and I just have it there on the side. Honestly, there's nowhere else for me to put it since I switched up the layout of my room. But I still really like it, and again, I want to save it and take it to my next home because I just think it's so simple. I do have a really cute picture of Spencer and I on there, my daily devotional on there, and then underneath you'll see as I get in closer with some clips, I have my Bible, my journal, a couple other journals and planners, and then I have like some ashwagandha gummies, and then I have my little pouch of all of my pens, markers that I use when I'm Bible studying or even when I'm just like filling out my calendar. So I absolutely love this. It's super convenient to just have next to me by my bed. Right here leads into my bathroom, which I love. It's so convenient having my bathroom connected to my room. I love that. But this mirror I love. It is from Walmart. It was $50. Now I would prefer a larger mirror just for the fact that I love taking outfit photos and pictures in my room, but I don't have space for it. So this fits perfectly here. This little lantern lamp is just everything to me. I'm obsessed with it. It was the first thing I ever bought for this apartment, and I thought I was gonna use it in our little dining area, but I ended up using it for my room, and I'm so okay with that. It was super affordable, and I was just shook Aldi even had something like that. As you can see, next to it, I have this giant simple clothing rack. This is like a $7 clothing rack from Target. Now, it's not really meant to look aesthetic or cute. It's literally the fact that I have no space in that closet and I need more room to hang my clothes. I try to keep it cute and I try to keep it neutral, or like my cute pieces on there. It just doesn't happen. It just gets chaotic. I have obsidians, I have the bloodlines, and then those green and pink ones, I don't remember the name. I think they're called Dutch green, but I could be wrong. I love them. Personally, I don't wear them that much or at all, really. It's just not my style anymore. So I definitely want to save them for like my future daughter. I feel like she'll thank me later maybe. I don't know, but I definitely don't want to sell them. If anything, I think I could sell like the green ones. Best ability, I'm going to show you guys my desk area. This clear desk is from Amazon. I love it. I have my other Bible. I got my other matching lamp. I have this cute swivel Sherpa chair from Target. I love that it moves. This pillow is so cute, you guys, from Marshalls. Over here, overlay, I have my calendar for the month. This super cute little container that's marble with like a bunch of earrings and jewelry. This is like my not everyday jewelry. My iPad with my iPad stand. Of course, I have a Doc Pop Poppy. And then these super cute photos of Spencer and I. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know down in the comments what type of videos you guys would like to see from me. Also, if you don't already, but go ahead and follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I will have everything linked down in the description. I also have a Amazon storefront as well. So if you're interested in looking at all that fun stuff, come and say hello, and I would love to talk with you guys. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in next week's video.